It was a lovely surprise, and it especially is important to me because although the book has a lot of Indian fauna and features India and my journeys there and my Indian grandmother, she actually lived in Wales, in mid Wales. And the whole book is a kind of series of praise poems, love poems to her, and a thank you. You know, she is no longer alive, but it is a thank you. And so this prize especially is wonderful to be shortlisted for. I started life as an artist, a sculptor. So I went to the Royal College of Art and spent 6 years at art school. But I have written 8 collections. So Tiger Girl is my 8th. Almost all of them are set in the Amazon rainforest. That has been my big obsession in life, especially the big cats, the jaguars. But now I've betrayed the jaguars and gone to the tigers in India. So animals are really important to me. And I think it was because my grandmother had a lot of animals and she had a big garden, or at least it looked very big to me as a child. The big inspiration behind Tiger Girl is a story that my grandmother told me several times about how she encountered a tiger in a tent in the jungle in India where she was born when she was a baby. So when I started out, I thought I really want to write a book about her and her Indian heritage. And I really, really wanted to see some tigers close up. And I did. So I went to 3 national parks. I went to Ranthambore in Rajasthan, which is where she was born, in Rajasthan. And then I went to the tiger capital, which is really Madhya Pradesh, and Bandhavgarh National Park and Kanha National Park. And I spent most of my time in Bandhavgarh, and especially in Tala Zone, which is the prime zone for viewing tigers. And I came within touching distance of Spotty the Queen off that zone. So it was pretty amazing life experience. But of course, at the same time, I realized just how endangered the animals are. And so I think that maybe half, even more than half of the book is really about, first of all, about the danger that the animals are in, of poaching, and also wanting to capture the awe and wonder of the animals while they're there, because my great fear is that one day they may not be there anymore. Indian roller. Once, when I was in your double bed and it wasn't dark yet, twilight through the bare windows either side of us, I asked you the name of the deep blue the sky was turning, and you said, Neelkant. Some daylight still on its wings, but only when airborne do we see the colour heaven must be. Night and day dancing a duo when the roller wheels and soars.